Are you unknowingly sabotaging your financial future? Look, I get it. Thinking about personal finance can feel as appealing as a root canal. But here's the thing, mastering your money isn't about being a millionaire overnight. It's about making smart choices today, so you can live a richer, more fulfilling life tomorrow. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 common financial mistakes people make. Mistakes that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. We're not just going to identify these pitfalls, I'm going to give you actionable steps to avoid them. Let's secure your wealth in 2025 and beyond. Let's be honest, who actually enjoys budgeting? Nobody, right? But here's the deal, not having a budget is like driving with your eyes closed. You might be moving, but you have no idea where you're going, and chances are you're headed straight for a financial crash. Creating a budget doesn't need to be complicated. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can categorize them and allocate your income accordingly. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself, it's about being in control and making intentional choices with your money. High-interest debt, especially credit card debt, is like a financial anchor weighing you down. Those seemingly small minimum payments can add up over time, costing you thousands in interest. The first step is to acknowledge the debt and commit to tackling it head-on. One effective strategy is the snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. Another approach is the avalanche method, where you prioritize debts with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be consistent and stay disciplined. Chapter 3. Failing to save for emergencies. Life is unpredictable. Just when you think you have everything figured out, bam, your car breaks down, or you face unexpected medical bills. That's where an emergency fund comes in. This isn't your fun money, it's your financial safety net. Ideally, you want to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in a separate, easily accessible account. Start small if you have to, even $50 a month adds up over time. The peace of mind knowing you can handle life's curveballs without going into debt is priceless. Chapter 4. Delaying investments. A lot of people think investing is only for the wealthy, but that's simply not true. The power of compound interest is real, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. There are plenty of low-cost index funds and ETFs that offer diversification and long-term growth potential. Even small, consistent investments can make a significant difference over time. Remember, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Chapter 5. Spending more than you earn. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful and unsustainable. It's crucial to break free from this cycle and start living within your means. This doesn't necessarily mean depriving yourself, it's about being mindful of your spending habits. Take a hard look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Can you cook at home more often? Negotiate lower rates on your bills? Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. Outro. Secure your financial future. Avoiding these financial mistakes can set you up for long-term success. It's about taking control of your finances and building a solid foundation for a brighter future. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a race. Start by focusing on one area you want to improve and build from there. Which of these will you focus on improving this year? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you in the next video.